Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in my house. Well, of course, definitely I'm in my house. So today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of Uno. So Uno is a really great game. I'm going to be unboxing the whole thing. It has over 50 cards of red and I can't tell right now. It's going to be in the box. But before unboxing, remember to like and share. Let's unbox it. So as you can see, we're unboxing from here. So let's check. Here is the unboxing. As you can see, there is a Candy Crush, something that we can put under. We can open it from here. We can close it again, just like this. Pretty simple. And now, so this is a great container. Like it has all of the Uno cards. So I'm gonna put this aside. So here is the Uno card box. We open it just like this. Here are all the cards. So we have a lot. So as you can see, these are really great cards. We have red. It's just the same, just a bit different of putting stars and everything. Look, reverse is just the same. See, red of another pair, and also we have wilds. So this is a really good game. How to play it? It's pretty easy. So every player is going to put all the cards in front of them, just like this. I'm just going to put 9 right now because I can't take off the whole box. So I'm just going to put it just like this. Okay, this is pretty fun. It's pretty cool. I don't know. It was just a surprise for me. Alright, so here what I have to do. First, we have every player. 20 players can even play with Uno. So what this game does, like we shake all the cards and shuffle them, then every player gets 5 cards, like 2, 3, 4, 5. Then they have to take the cards and then they have to check which of them they got. So here's what I got. So skip means like it's my turn and I skip my brother's. That means he can't do his work. Draw 2 means that he's gonna get 2 cards from this lance, and the next one are Jim's zeros. I have a 0. I say Uno. When you have only 1 card left and the other person blocks you, that means you have to get 10 cards from the lance. And if you put that card, no one notices that and when you're done, you put the card, you say Uno, then you win. Okay, so you can take any color, like right now, red. So red has total 50 pairs. Also green has 50 pairs, and also yellow and blue, all of them has 50 pairs. Look, and even crazier, if I get wild, I put white, and then I say color change to green. I put the green color, and if I have another green like that, but it has to say 5. Then you have to say jump in, just like this. I got the 5. Pretend this is 5. I put it, say jump in. So that means I got a point, and this is gonna go, and then I'm first. So there is another one that we also, if you pull the wild, then you can also put draw 2 on it, and then you get to give the person 10 cards. And also you can win. You can use these, and when you have a good card, so write these numbers. If you don't have that, you just take one from the long. I take one from the long, and then I just hide it. I say, what is it? You cannot tell anyone. So it is a pretty great game. I know it's pretty cool, and I also have a Rapunzel on this side. It's purple. So if you get wild, but it's even crazier because if I get wild, like it's gonna be the same, like pretend this is another wild, but the down one it says draw 4. Okay, so for example, it says right here draw 4. I put it, then I put another draw 4 on it, then I put another draw 4 on it, then I put draw 10. So you're gonna get 20 cards total, and that'll bring you behind. Like I only have 1 card left, and pretend my brother puts 5 draw 4s, and then I just get 20 cards, and he has 1, and I say blocked. That means he's gonna get 20 cards. Alright guys, so that's the end of my video. Remember to subscribe, smash the like button right now, turn on notification bells, comment, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. If you like Uno, subscribe.